Last November, we had both of our furnace and our air conditioning units replaced with train units by Logan Heating and Air, and have been very satisfied with both units. We did quite a bit of research prior to deciding to go with Logan, and had determined that Logan had the best prices of any of the heating and air conditioning companies in the area. I was very impressed with the sales representative, Ryan, who took his time helping us out, determining which unit would work best for us. And we also were very impressed with the installer who came out on the day of installation. He did a good job of installing the heating and air conditioning units, and also helped us program our digital thermometer, which was very helpful. We would most definitely recommend Logan Heating and Air to anyone who's in the market for a furnace or air conditioning unit.